Namaskaram everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And this is a special episode. First of all, I would like to say thank you for supporting the channel, and your time that you have invested in the series has helped the YouTube algorithm to find more audience for our channel and the series primarily. And we have reached to 2000 subscribers. So again, as usual, like the previous milestone, at every 1000 subscribers I would like to give away something in return. So let's start without wasting any time. All right, so we are in the editor now. Let's start with the first thing of the giveaway. That is your terrain. So for this you have to create a new map, or you can use the same map that you have, and in the selection mode change this to landscape. Once you do that, there is the option of import from file. Click on this, and this is the file that is available over Discord. You can download it from there and double click on it and you will get something of this sort. So now you can increase or decrease the height. I'll keep it like 22 and I'll fit to data, and then I'll import. Once you import, it might take a second, and there you have your terrain. Now you can paint them, you can sculpt them, you can make spaces, you have space for the rivers, you can make certain parts smooth or flat and set up grounds, buildings on the top of these. In case some of you already know how to do that stuff, then this is a ready terrain. Again, this is commercially free to use, so feel free to go ahead. No foundations. And now, for example, you can also do your layering, painting, you can also apply direct textures. And those of you who don't know how to build on top of this, it's okay, we will do in the level design series, so don't worry. All right, let's move on to the second giveaway is this map. So this map can be used as an interior of the building, or it can be used as a level map. You can use it for any purpose. So this is my Blender. I can do Shift A, go for image, reference, and then you can open this map. Once you have it, you can reset the rotation by 0, 0, 0. If we go in N and go for our archimesh that is in the create, now you can draw the entire thing and you can adjust the spacings as well. You can increase the size of this map if you want, and then you can start drawing by going in the annotate and then start drawing. Okay, so for example, I do this much, and if I release room from draw, there you have it. So now you can increase the size. This is just the reference, but you can create it at a very large scale as well. Or if you have a castle or a building or a dungeon or a maze, you can also use this for that purpose. And you know how to create the walls and windows and doors using the Archimesh. If you haven't seen that episode of level design, I highly recommend you check that out, because in that episode I've shown you how you can use this add-on, which is freely available in the marketplace. Cool. So you have this second item. Now coming back to the Unreal Engine, the third thing, which is the most important for the next chapters of Master Unreal series, we want an in-house merchant. In the coming episode, we will be doing AI and NPC. So for that, we need a second character, and the second character is our merchant. So if I import, this is the James character from Mixamo. I have re-rigged it with UE5 mannequin skeleton so that we can use all of our animations. So if you double click on that, you can reset the selected pipeline to make sure everything is in the default state, and change this skeleton to SK mannequin and then import. Once you do that, you have your player. Now what you can do is go in the third person, blueprints, third person character. Just want to show you the demo, and you can look for James, hit compile, play, and you can see it is able to use our all the UE5 skeletal animations which we have used. However, this is a NPC character, so we will not be doing much of the movement. It's going to stay in the shop and it's going to hand over you the weapon and other stuff. So again, this is something that is also available on Discord. The only condition is that you have to first download it from Mixamo, then send it to the bot, and then it will give you the re-rigged version, because we cannot give it directly because redistribution is not allowed. So first you have to download it from Mixamo, and then you can come to the server where we will re-rig it for you with the UE5 skeleton. Okay. But again, this is our merchant that is going to stay in the building in the shooting range, which we are going to develop in the coming episode. Okay, so that's it for this episode. And thank you so much for your time, which you have been giving to the series. It is helping the channel a lot, and especially the YouTube algorithm to find more audience. And your time and support is the only reason we are able to reach to the 2000 subscribers. And if you like my work and you want to support me, then the Patreon link is also in the description. You can check that out, but please do reach out on Discord before buying any membership. Please do not buy before discussing it with me. All right. So take care. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.